Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this pan bread toast kind of thing without a toast machine anyway. So here I have my bread from Walmart and I have 5 eggs in the bowl. I'm going to be putting in some seasoning, just to give the bread a little kind of like, seasoning thing. So yeah. So I'm just mixing the egg, whisking it, and then I'm going to be adding my seasoning and everything that I needed. I used the Knorr seasoning. I got that from Sam's anyway. If you're wanting to know, I'll definitely leave everything down in the description box down below. And then I'm adding a cup of oil. I used avocado oil for it. I didn't just go for the vegetable oil. I used avocado oil for it. And now I'm adding my Knorr chicken seasoning. This is what it looks like. Now I'm adding some garlic powder. That's it. And then I'm adding a little bit of black pepper, what we call Ghana pepper. No, sorry, Cameroon pepper, but that's black pepper anyway, just to make it spicy. You can decide not to do that for you if you don't like anything spicy, but I just like that little bit of spicy, like, yeah, I like it hot, like you would say hot. Yeah, I like it spicy, hot, whatever. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing that, and then I'm going to be dipping the bread in my mixture. This is what it looks like after mixing it in, and then I'm going to be dipping just both sides and then placing on the pan. So this is how you dip. Make sure the egg, it's like the bread is covered in the egg, and then you put on the pan. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I already added a little bit of oil. You can use butter, you can use just whatever, anything, oil, butter for the pan, like to grease the pan before you place the bread. So that way it doesn't stick to the pan. So I'm glad you clicked on this video. I'm so happy to have you here. If you have not joined the family, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscription the red button down to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. I know people will be like, oh, why didn't you just make this in a toast? Because listen, this gives a different kind of like taste, if that makes sense. I don't know why, but this just the texture, the taste, everything is just kind of like different from than when I use my toast machine to do it. And I'll also make a video of how I make some in the toast machine, and also show you guys. Be looking out for that video, so subscribe and click on the notification bell so you just get notified. You see how that looks? This tastes so good, you guys. I'm not even going to lie, this tastes so good. I don't know what happened to my videos. I don't know why the video cut off, but you can see how yummy this looks. You can see how good this looks. Like, look at that. I just kept on pressing on it, you know. It just tastes so good. You can have this with it. This is breakfast. Listen, my kids eat this all day. I'm not kidding. Like, they eat this all day. They always request for it, and of course, yeah, I do. Any question, please do not forget to ask me in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm definitely going to be making more videos. If you have any food suggestion, anything you want me to make, please leave that in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm definitely going to be leaving what I did and what I used down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye.